What's up my friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to go over 4 tips on using the blow dryer. Tip number 1 is not hold the blow dryer too close to your hair. You want to hold the blow dryer about 6 to 8 inches away from the hairline. One reason for that is you don't want to burn your own head, and 2, you don't want to burn the hair. Tip number 2 is not keeping the heat on the hair for too long. Once the hair has been completely dried, you are pretty much done. Because if you leave the heat on the hair for too long again, you are going to burn your hair and you are going to dry it out. So when it's completely dry, that's it, pull it away. Tip number 3 is use the pressure of the blow dryer to push your hair into the direction you want to wear. Put the concentrator on and direct the pressure of the air in the direction you want to wear your hair. If you don't have a brush, you can totally just use your fingers and kind of give a little bit of a tight. Tip number 4 is to use the blow dryer to increase or decrease volume. You can use the blow dryer to do either one. If I want to be slightly flatter in the back area over here, all I'm really going to do is to use the pressure of the blow dryer to push the hair down, and as I work to the front, I'm going to lift the hair up and out of the root to increase the volume. I am finishing up with our bestseller Extreme Cream for a long-lasting hold and definition.